No, for real. Like, we need detoxes though from this shit. Waking up, getting on your phone. You know, just think about like the iPhone was created. Everybody really started getting a hold of in 2011. We wasn't even able to go on the internet on our phones. Like maybe if you had a sweet sidekick, you know, maybe you saw a little something on MySpace. We wasn't able to see the full internet like how we able to see the internet and view the internet and browse the internet from our phone. So consumption is at an all-time high, and you know, I just see it affect so many people. I'm really making this video to inspire y'all to create. Now 2020 right now, the fact that there's iPhones around, it's like you could go to the CVS, you can go to the gas station and buy a smartphone. You know what I'm saying? You have the power to create. You can buy a smartphone for $20. You know what I'm saying? And I think when you create, you shouldn't care about what people think. What your goal should be is monetizing your content. Young world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another video for y'all, man. Now, this video that I'm about to drop on y'all today, this is gonna be a reoccurring topic. Like as we grow, as we take the tribe to the next level and the next level and the next level and ascend to YouTube greatness, you know what I'm talking about? We're gonna always have to sit down and we're gonna talk about this just to make sure everybody on point, just to make sure the tribe out here getting this money and you know, staying educated and applying and taking advantage of the internet like how I promote on my channel. Question for y'all today: are you consuming more than you creating? A large amount of my following come from America. There's no question, you know what I'm saying? I'm in Detroit, you know, I'm in Michigan, we in the North, you know what I'm saying, Midwest, East Coast, whatever you want to, you know what I'm saying, geographically put it at, you know what I'm saying, we in the United States. And everybody know the United States is really the land of the free. Like, if you out here, nigga, and you got buying power, you got green, bro, the world is yours. You can do anything, you know what I'm saying? That's why people work, you know what I'm saying, for money, you know what I'm saying? But if you had money, you would be doing anything you want to. So America is the land of the free. You can do anything in America, but with that comes a lot of consumption, you know what I'm saying? And it's designed that way. You know, it's designed, we consume more than we create, you know what I'm saying? Because the creators belong in this group that everybody always talk about, and it's called the 1%. 1% of the world is creating all of the content we consume. And that shit gotta change, you know what I'm saying? If it changed and at least 50% of y'all just click to create something, the whole world would change, the whole economy would change, because it'll spark more creative individuals and it'll, you know, bring more solutions to problems we facing right now. But we are consumed with entertainment, we consume, you know what I'm saying, with social media now, we consume with so many different, you know, even life, just life in general, you know what I'm saying, is already a big, you know, attention grab. But now we got personal devices, internet, social media, all these other things pulling on, you know, our mental stimulation, our fucking, you know what I'm saying, our attention span. There's so many things pulling on your attention that you consume, you know what I'm saying? And now it's leading to side effects like depression and anxiety, and people that never experienced this shit. Like, there's some people that never even, you know what I'm saying, talked about the, you know what I'm saying, or, you know, it had those feelings until they were so consumed by so much information, you know what I'm saying? Because think about this digital age is we entering in the fucking highway. Like, we was just, the past 10 years was the, you know what I'm saying, was the road test. You know, we got our driver's license, we got the car now. Now we about to get on the highway. And when I'm talking about that is like in the digital information technology point of view. Because think about this shit. Think about this shit. Like, I'm talking about our consumption, our history of consumption. Like, as humans, we have never been this consumed. Like, this point, like, with technology, like, just in our recorded time history, we have never been this consumed now that we are in 2020. You know what I'm saying? The iPhone just came out in 2010. Like, I know it officially, for y'all smart motherfuckers, it officially came out 2007, but people really couldn't get it on, Sprint, Verizon, all the other networks until 2011, for real. So iPhone only a decade old, iPhone only 10 years old. It's coming into teenagehood, and it's about to really show you the power of technology. We already talking about shit called artificial intelligence, right? And we really about to consume, because what's happening is humans are becoming merged with machines. Man is becoming merged with machine. We've seen this shit in movies. We've seen it's happening. You know what I'm saying? It's happening. The personal computer, it happened in the 90s. Go back, watch a video of how they was talking about the internet. Like, people wasn't that consumed in this shit. They didn't know about it. We was still outside. You know what I'm saying? Anybody born in the 90s know, bro. Like, you was outside, bro. We was outside playing tag, running mail truck, like, I'm talking about, like, backyard football, you know what I'm saying? Like, throwing rocks, like, just doing, doing crazy shit. Like, we was outside, bro. Like, we was kids for real, like, in a sandbox, you know what I'm saying? Blow up pools in the back, you know what I'm talking about? Like, at the park, you know what I'm talking about? Belle Isle, you know what I'm talking about? Like, we was outside, but just look at the 90s, like, consumption wasn't even there yet. Like we are now entering in a crazy age, man. And I just want to, like, guide y'all in the right direction so y'all don't get consumed and get all of the side effects of, like, 5G and depression and anxiety. Man, we need detoxes from this shit too. Like, you need detoxes, because if you waking up on your shit, I know, I do it. I'm a content creator, you know what I'm saying? I'm on YouTube. Like, I'm trying to create something out of myself. But what I find myself doing now is, like, you know what I'm saying, not looking for external forces really to inspire me. I just go. Like, if I feel something, I just go. Like, this is what I'm talking about. I wake up and I think to myself, this is what I'm talking about. Sometimes you gotta delete your apps, but no, for real, like, we need detoxes though from this shit. Like, just waking up, getting on your phone. Just think about, like, the iPhone was created, like, everybody really started getting a hold of in 2011. Like, we wasn't even able to go on the internet on our phones. Like, people had, maybe if you had a sweet sidekick, maybe you saw a little something on MySpace, like, or BlackBerry or something, but we wasn't able to see the full internet, like how we able to see the internet and view the internet and browse the internet from our phone. So the consumption is at an all-time high, and I just see it affect so many people. And really making this video to inspire y'all to create. Now 2020 right now, the fact that there's iPhones around, it's like you could go to the CVS, you can go to the gas station and buy a smartphone. You know what I'm saying? You have the power to create. You can buy a smartphone for $20. You know what I'm saying? And I think when you create, you shouldn't care about what people think. What your goal should be is monetizing and producing content every day. Like, I just made a video about this one girl I follow. You know her name, Rebel Yelly X. I'm talking about all she do is play games on her phone, but instead of just playing the games on her phone and consuming, she play the game, do a screen recording, upload it on YouTube, monetize the video, get paid. She making $19,000 per month. $19,000 per month. That's some people going to work every day making $12 an hour. You know what I'm saying? Pulling in, working 8 hours. Working crazy hours, making that. And I'm telling you, it's a way you can flip the script now. You know what I'm saying? Even though technology is advancing, a lot of our ways are still old. We still integrated in an old pattern. Like, a lot of people don't fully understand how to make money on the internet. And I was just thinking about this. Like what's funny is, like, how people on YouTube make money. It's like you will watch a video about somebody teaching you how to make money, and they'll make more money from the AdSense revenue than they did the actual service they offer to the people. So it's like, become the creator. Become the creator, man. It's so much opportunity for people who creating right now. It's so much opportunity for you. And don't care what people think. Just do this shit. You have to really just do this shit. Like, I'm doing this off of iPhone. I know it look good because it's the latest iPhone, but I bought this iPhone only for YouTube. Like, this iPhone is really a tax write-off because I don't use it for nothing else but research, development, and, you know, brand awareness on YouTube. You know, that's all I use it for. You know, I may talk to some people here and there, you know, family, but, you know what I'm saying, my baby, you know what I'm talking about? Like, but I don't use no iPhone, man. Like, I don't be as consumed, you know. Like, I just flip the script in my mind. Like, if I'm gonna be on the internet, I'm about to make money from this because they making money from you. Google, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? iPhone, Siri, they tracking you. They listen to you, you know what I'm saying? It's cameras around facial recognition, you know what I'm saying? Facebook got facial recognition, you know, it's following things that you like. Things that you like is recommending ads to you, it's recommending products to you. You wondering like, why am I seeing this advertisement? I just looked at this, I just talked about this. You know, it's picking up on your voice, it's picking up on your location, you know. So if when they consumers, oh, I want to target New York, or I want to target Atlanta, I want to target Detroit, they can get you because yeah, shit been tracking you the whole time. You know, you think, you know, Instagram and Twitter and, you know, all these free services, Facebook, you think they ain't making money off you. They making money off you. You know, you enter in, if you a man or a woman, you enter in your age, you enter in, you know, all this personal information about yourself, and they taking that, remarketing it, flipping it, like, you know what I'm saying, selling it, coming up off you. And, you know, I just feel like it's bold at the same time because a lot of people not gonna even realize it. And then, you know, a lot of people not gonna care, you know, but that's why it's a 1%. That's why the 1% exists, you know, because it takes initiative, it takes action, it takes research, you know, to even find this video, to even, you know, want to watch it to this point, takes some type of drive, you know, it takes some type of questioning, and you got to have all of that, you know, to get out of the matrix in a way. But that's our first little sit down talking about this. Like I said, throughout the growth of this channel, we gonna touch back on this situation, but create it. I don't want to hear no excuses. I don't want to hear my phone, I got Android. No, it's so many different ways, you know, but the easiest way is YouTube. The easiest way is YouTube. I'm telling y'all right now, like, you gonna look up on the internet. Like I said, like, people are making more money selling you the course than the course actually pays. You know, so people on YouTube videos talking about, like, even me, like, I'm guilty of it too, but I peeped it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just see how it works. Like, people, you know, you selling this affiliate offer, you promoting this program, you promoting this platform, YouTube, then up your CPM on you. So you getting, you know what I'm saying, $6 for every 100, and, you know, the product, you know, is not, you getting the money that you selling off the product for in AdSense revenue. You know what I'm saying? You getting more in AdSense revenue than what you promoting. So, hey, watch out for that on YouTube. Like, a lot of these passive income, that's why I'm about to come all year. I'm about to drop some of the best passive income, but I just see so many YouTube videos and watch passive income videos, and they talk about some website they never even did nothing on. They never did nothing on. They just found something on the internet. You download this app, you know, you can run money, make money on your computer. Oh, I never even downloaded the app. Oh, this might be a virus. Like, what? You watching this shit 20 minutes in, they done made, you know, $10 off your ass in AdSense revenue, but, you know, you watching it 10 minutes, you know, like, what the fuck? Like, you know, that's what, just be smart, man. Be aware, man, because people out here, it's a out cold way to do this, man. It's a legal, nigga. It's an out cold way to do this. So just man, get on your P's and Q's, man. Get sharp out here, man. I want y'all to get some of this money with me because I'm out here pressure, man. Applying pressure. Don't show me no pot of gold and, you know, tell me I can get it. Show me the path and don't think I'm about to walk. It's your boy Young World. I'm out.